Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security and granting permission when prompted. This gives Defender the admin context it needs. Once Windows Security is open, go directly to Virus and Threat Protection because exclusions live there. Make sure you have administrator rights. Without them, you cannot add exclusions. Now click Manage Settings, then scroll to Exclusions. This is the first actionable area where you will add a folder, so proceed to the next step when ready. Now add the exclusion. Click Add or Remove Exclusions, then choose Add an Exclusion and pick Folder, because folders keep related files excluded at once. You navigate to the exact folder path. Accuracy matters. Typos will make Defender ignore the wrong location. After selecting the folder, confirm and watch it populate the exclusion list. Once added, Defender will skip scanning that folder during real-time and scheduled scans. Make sure the listed path matches what you intended. Finish by testing the exclusion. Create a harmless file inside the excluded folder and observe Defender behavior. This proves the change took effect. If Defender still scans the folder, restart Windows Security, then reboot your PC and recheck the exclusion path for mistakes. If that fails, controlled folder access or another security policy might override exclusions. Temporarily disable that feature or reset Defender settings to reconcile conflicts. Finally, re-enable protections after resolving the issue to keep your system safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.